Hi guys, today we are going to design these potato chips, then put it on a mock-up. Then in the next episode you need to subscribe because I'm going to teach you how to make an ad using this potato chips bag that we are going to create in this video, like this. So if you don't want to miss this video, just hit the subscribe button so that you ain't gonna miss it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to create a document with 4.6 inches by 5.8 inches. Then I'll start with a gradient. Then I'll put it here. Then I'll drag and drop the first image. Then I'll bring in another image. So I want to get rid of this and make it look as if it is behind this pot. So I'll add a layer mask, then hold Control and click on this part. Then when this appears, I'll come to this images layer mask. Make sure that black is the foreground color. Then you can add more flows. And I'll get rid of this. So then after that, I'll add my curves, adjustment layers, and exposures. Then I'll start revealing them by brushing over the areas that I want. I'll make sure that the white is the foreground color. If it is too much, check your flows. You can lower the flow. Then the areas that you think there should be shadows, just brush them off. As you can see, the light source is coming from this area, so here it has to be dark. Then I'll come to the curves, start revealing some darker tones right here. Okay. Okay, then I'll add shadows to this lemon. I'll add curves and exposure. Okay, let me add more shadows to the peppers. So I'm just going to add some fancy shadows beneath them. But for this honey, I'll use ellipse, then feather it. I'll choose black, then place it behind the honey. Then I'll go to mask, then here I'll increase the feather. If it goes too much, it doesn't look nice, so alright, then you can put it somewhere there, it's okay. And I'll create a new layer, choose black, then I'll start make sure black is on top. Then I'll start adding shadows All right, no, this is not the best way to add shadows, but the simplest. Okay, so now we are done with this portion. So I'll bring this image, then change the blend mode to pin light. Then I'll position it to make it look like the rays coming behind the potato chips, right? Then I'll lower the opacity to 50. Then add a layer mask. Then make sure black is on top. Then I'll start removing some portions that I don't need. Okay, then let me go to this and change the light source to the side. Okay, so now we are done. Then I'll bring in the logo. Then behind the logo, I'll go to custom shape tool, then select this one. It's already there. Okay, then I'll go back for the shape again. And I'll add a new text on top. Let me go ahead and warp. I'll choose flag. Then I'll lower the bend. All right. Okay. I don't know anything like maximum chili paprika. it's just something that I love to put it there. All right. Okay, so now we are done. Let's go ahead and put it on a mock-up so that it will look just like this. Amazing. So for the mock-up, I have this snack mock-up right here that when I double tap here, it will take me here. Now I already have a random one over here, so I'll just come to my work, and then on the top layer I'll press Control Shift and Alt, then press E. All right, then I'll have it in here. I'll merge everything on top, then I can drag it and put it here. Now I'll save, then I'll go and check. All right, so there we have it, a very nice looking mock-up. So you can go ahead and try this. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'm out.